Hello everybody and welcome to this lesson on Little Drummer Boy. Alright, so this is the advanced version of this lesson and I am going to show you exactly what I just played. Alright, we're going to break this down step by step, each line along with the sheet music, okay? Pardon the interruption, this is just one part of the Little Drummer Boy lesson. We will release all parts on our YouTube channel, so be sure to take a look. And notice in the title will say part 1 of 13, 2 of 13, so be sure to take a look at all of them. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave your comments. If you'd like to get the resources, the sheet music, the backing tracks, you could sign up for a full membership at JAZZEDGE.academy. Either a studio or premier level membership gives access to this lesson. We are also running a membership special for a couple of weeks, so be sure to take a look at the site to see when the special is going to end. Anyway, we celebrate Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you, but whatever it is you celebrate, we really hope that you have a wonderful, special, and safe holiday season. All right, back to the lesson. When looking at the arrangement, it's really just 3 chords. It's your 1 chord, your 4 chord, and your 5 chord, right? Now, don't get confused. It's not a blues, right? Because we might think, oh, 1, 4, and 5, it sounds like a blues. Yeah, it kind of does sound like a blues, but it's not the blues form, all right? So you're just using those 3 chords, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. We're in the key of F, so that's an F chord, a B flat, and a C chord. Now, as an advanced version, you might wonder, well, why didn't you do more reharmonization and all of that kind of stuff and make it like super jazzy? Quite frankly, because a lot of times I find when you have like kind of a song like this, you can over jazzify it, all right, if that's even a word, right? So you can do too much to it. So my suggestion is a lot of times some of these tunes that are kind of like more simple, right? They're kind of like almost folk in nature, right? You don't really want to add a lot to it. So instead what I did was I added groove to the tune. You can hear that like... And I'm going to show you how you can vamp and solo on that as well. So you can kind of like expand the song and kind of improvise for a little bit, then come back into the song. All right, so anyway, let's get started with the song. We're going to break this down, like I said, step by step. I'll see you in that first chapter.